Review LG Gram 17 2021, still the standard for 17-inch laptops. Powerful, Buffalo battery, large screen but incredibly lightweight, the Tiger Lake upgraded version of the 17-inch LG Gram deserves to be one of the most expensive large laptops to buy today. Since the COVID-19 pandemic took place, the trend of working from home, or work from home, is gaining popularity everywhere in the world. Therefore, the demand for laptops that are thin and light but still ensure powerful performance becomes higher than ever. One of the first names that users turn to, perhaps, is LG's Gram laptop line. Following the success of its predecessors, the new generation LG Gram 2021 Tiger Lake has officially been on the Vietnamese market since June. Maintaining a light, strong, standard Gram style, LG Gram 2021 aims to be an assistant who accompanies young people in any context of the world while meeting their productivity and working efficiency at the same time. Anywhere, while enhancing the entertainment experience. This year, LG has removed the 15.5-inch screen size and replaced it with a 16-inch screen, so the 2021 Gram generation will include 3 versions of 14-inch, 16-inch, and 17-inch screen sizes. In this article, Tech News gives readers the experience and detailed evaluation of the 17-inch model, the most advanced version equipped with Intel Core i7-1165G7 Tiger Lake chip, 16 GB RAM, and 1 TB SSD storage, with a selling price. Export 54.9 million dong. Rugged design, unbelievably lightweight. Although LG Kilogram is probably the correct name for this laptop, LG Gram 17 version 2021 is incredibly light at only 1.35 kilograms, 1.19 kilograms with 16 version and 999 grams with the 14 version. In fact, the 16-inch version of the LG Gram 2021 is also recognized by Guinness as the world's lightest 16-inch laptop. To make it easier for the reader to imagine how remarkable this is, the XPS 9700, Dell's most advanced model, weighs up to 2.5 kilograms, which is almost double. LG Gram 17 2021 is even lighter than MacBook Pro 16 to 650 grams, and only slightly heavier than MacBook Air 13, 1.29 kilograms. Thanks to that, despite the screen size up to 17 inches, LG Gram 17 2021 can still be held with 2 fingers easily. To achieve such a lightweight, LG Gram 2021 continues to use high-grade magnesium alloy material that is often used to make aircraft cases. But it is also impossible because of its lightness that it can be judged that LG Gram 2021 is a less durable laptop model, when the product has obtained the MIL STD 810G military standard durability certification. When tested, there is no flex phenomenon at the edge of the screen or keyboard, palm rest. The thickness of the device at its thickest point is about 17.8 mm. LG Gram 2021 welcomes the arrival of a black version. This is the color for the version with the most advanced configuration option in all 3 screen sizes. The stainless steel Gram logo is centered. This is like a minimalist, unobtrusive color option, quite in contrast to the other 2 colors, white and silver. This black color also limits sweat stains very well. The corners of the LG Gram 2021 are square and elegant. The hinge design helps users to open the device with one hand like a MacBook, but unfortunately the screen cannot be fully tilted at a 180-degree angle to optimize for sharing screen content when working in groups like many laptops. Recently: If the connection port is a factor you care about when choosing to buy a laptop, you will not be disappointed with the LG Gram 17 2021. On the left side, we have two Thunderbolt 4 ports, which can be used for charging and data transfer data, or connect a secondary display, a 3.5mm headphone/mic combo jack, and an HDMI port. On the opposite side, the machine has two USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a micro SD card slot and a Kensington lock. The location of the connection ports has also been better optimized by LG. With wireless connectivity, the LG Gram 17 2021 fully supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. The top screen for both work and play. As a rare brand that can self-govern the screen and screen technology, it is not surprising that the LG Gram 17 2021 is one of the laptops with the best screen today. IPS LCD background with resolution of 2560 x 1600 pixels, 400 nits brightness, no touch. LG Gram has its own 2-in-1 line with touch and does not focus on gaming, so the refresh rate only stops at 60 Hz. A special feature in this year's version is that LG has converted the screen ratio of the entire Gram line to 16:10 instead of 16:9 as before. This ratio helps the machine display more vertical information, useful for web surfing or programming, but in return when watching movies, two black bands will appear. On the 17 version, the LG Gram 2021 has significantly reduced the size of the bottom bezel, from 15.9mm to 11.2mm, making the viewing experience more airy, as well as contributing to an increase in the display area without affect the overall size of the machine. LG Gram 2021 screen offers high display quality, UHD resolution for sharp images, vivid colors, 400 nits brightness for outdoor use. This is a glossy screen, so some people will like it, some people won't. For semi-professional to professional photo editing needs, LG Gram 2021 covers 100% of the sRGB color space, 99% DCI-P3, 89% Adobe RGB with a delta E color difference of only 1.62, displaying accurate colors. That's an impressive visual experience, but the hearing part of the LG Gram 17 2021 is a bit inferior. With two 2W speakers placed below, the LG Gram 17 2021 is like many other laptops on the market, sound large volume but slightly timid when pushed up high. The sound range has no obvious highlights. Keyboard, touchpad provide a good experience. Although I do not have to enter too much data every day, the writer is still happy when LG decided to keep the numpad row, while names like Dell XPS 17 or MacBook Pro 16 have decided to remove it. More interestingly, the keys of the LG Gram 17 2021 only take up about 36% of the surface area, but the keys still ensure the optimal distance between them. The layout of the keys exists a few small flaws that perhaps LG should be edited, such as the numlock key located right next to the backspace that is easy to press by mistake, or the only function button placed too far from the multimedia keys to be operated with one hand. LG Gram 17 2021 has flat keys. The key travel is about 1.65 mm, according to LG, 0.15 mm longer than the previous version to provide a better typing experience. The tactile feedback is quite clear, when typing does not make a loud noise. Below the keys is a backlight for users to use in a dark room. LG integrated a fingerprint sensor into the power button for fast and accurate unlocking speed, so the lack of infrared camera face unlock is not too big of a problem. The touchpad of the LG Gram 17 2021 is 11% larger in size than its predecessor, also changed to the same 16:10 ratio as the screen. The large size makes moving hands on the touchpad smooth and easy. LG Gram 17 2021 also fully supports Windows Precision Driver so that users can set up quick operations such as zoom, page transition, application. High performance, lots of heat. The LG Gram 17 2021 version that VN Review evaluates has the highest configuration option at the moment, including Intel Core i7-1165 G7 Tiger Lake CPU, 16 GB of LPDDR4X 4266 MHz RAM, an upgrade that LG claims to be fast processing. 33% more than the previous 3200 MHz model with 1 TB PCIe SSD. If there is a discrete graphics card, obviously the LG Gram 17 2021 will become more attractive to gamers, but the CPU's integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics core. Core i7-1165 G7 is also more than enough to play light games like League of Legends or Counter-Strike, Global Offensive. With the above configuration, the LG Gram 17 2021 easily overcomes nearly all tasks that the writer tests as well as in real daily use. The 1 TB NVMe PCIe SSD helps launch applications quickly, while Core i7-1165 G7 and 16 GB of RAM are more than enough to handle dozens of Chrome tabs, photo/video editing via Adobe applications. However, the slim and light design of the LG Gram 17 2021 also makes it more difficult to generate heat. It took too long before it had to be reduced to cool down. During normal use, there was no problem, but when benchmarking for a long time, the writer noticed that the keyboard part was near the CPU area of the LG Gram 17 2021 has warming up. Impressive battery life, faster charging. On LG Gram 17 2021, the company has equipped with a large capacity 80 Wh battery, which, according to the announcement, brings up to 19.5 hours of use for this version. Of course, up to is just a term for reference, but during the experience, the writer found that the LG Gram 17 2021 has really impressive battery life. The laptop can easily get through a working day, even access to the second day even with frequent use, comfortable for you or have to bring the laptop to meet customers or go out to work, without worrying about running out of battery. With the test of watching movies offline continuously at 50% brightness, LG Gram 17 2021 lasted more than 12 hours before having to recharge. Battery life. Buffalo in a thin and light body, LG Gram 17 2021 is also upgraded with the included charger, with a capacity of 65 W instead of just 48 W as before. This is a GAN charger, with a size just larger. Battery backup. A bit. To fully charge the battery of LG Gram 17 2021 takes more than 2 hours. Summary. In general, LG still maintains its momentum with the 17 gram version 2021, when the laptop not only scores with respectable lightweight, beautiful screen, and strong performance. The ability to dissipate heat is an aspect that LG needs improvement, but it will certainly affect the design and overall thinness of this laptop. LG Gram 17 2021 is a high-end name that is not for everyone. But if these strengths of the laptop fascinate you, the 14 and 16 options of the LG Gram 2021 are also worth considering. If you find it interesting, please give Tech News a subscribe, a like, and don't forget to comment below your opinion video.